OnePlus has officially launched the OnePlus 15T in China. The OnePlus 15T is currently on sale in China, starting at 4,299 Chinese yuan. The device is built with a metal frame and glass back, weighing approximately 194 grams. Sale in China in 3 colors: healing white chocolate, pure cocoa, and relaxing matcha, and an IP69K rating for dust and water resistance. The device is built around a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 primary sensor, and a 50MP telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, offering 3.5x optical zoom and up to 7x lossless zoom. Imaging engine utilizes the LUMO imaging engine for improved zoom and HDR performance. The OnePlus 15T is confirmed to come with a 6.32-inch AMOLED screen with thin bezels. That panel will offer a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus 15T is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. It's also tipped to pack a 7,500 mAh battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging support. It's also expected to debut in India as the OnePlus 15s. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.